Databricks certification question looks easy, but it fails most candidates. Why? Because they don't truly understand execution context. If you mix PySpark and SQL without knowing what's happening behind the scenes, you will choose the wrong answer. Every time. But don't worry, let's fix that. In under 4 minutes. A junior member of the data engineering team is exploring language interoperability in Databricks notebooks. The goal is simple. They want to register a view of all sales that occurred in countries on the continent of Africa, using data from the geo_lookup table and the sales table. Now, before running the code, they execute show tables on the current database. And what do they see? Only 2 tables exist: geo_lookup and sales. No views, no extra tables. Now the question is, after running the 2 command cells in order inside an interactive notebook, what will actually happen? Let's look at the options. Option A, both commands succeed and 2 views are created. Option B, command 1 succeeds and command 2 searches all databases for a matching table or view. Option C, command 1 succeeds, command 2 fails, and countries_AF is a PySpark data frame. Option D, both commands fail. Option E, command 1 succeeds, command 2 fails, and countries_AF is a Python list of strings. Now pause here. This question is not about SQL syntax. It's about execution context inside Databricks. Let's break it down. Command 1 is a PySpark command. It queries the geo_lookup table, filters rows where continent equals Africa, and then uses collect. What does collect do? It brings the data from Spark into the Python driver. So what is countries_AF? It is not a table. It is not a view. It is simply a Python variable containing a list of country names as strings. So command 1 runs successfully. Now command 2. Command 2 is written in SQL. And SQL expects tables or views inside the database. But countries_AF exists only in the Python runtime. SQL cannot see Python variables. There is no table. There is no view. There is no shared context. So what happens? Command 2 fails. No view is created. Nothing is registered in the database. That means the correct answer is option E. Command 1 succeeds, command 2 fails, and countries_AF is a Python variable containing a list of strings. Here's an exam tip. Whenever you see mixed Python and SQL in Databricks, always ask yourself, is this a table or view, or just a variable in memory? SQL cannot access Python variables directly. That's the key idea this question is testing. That's it for this one. I'll see you in the next question.